On Wednesday, Troy University's Activity Council held a game show in the Smith Hall Auditorium to give students a chance to get out and get rich.
100 grand, all right!
I'm here because I want to give students an opportunity to win money and have a good time and not be so stern about things.
With a decent turnout of college kids trying to earn some easy money, tensions were high when the dollar was on the line. But that didn't seem to stop anyone from having a great time.
It's a pop culture game show where students can come and, have like the game show atmosphere that they see on TV, just answering pop culture questions as well as questions about math and geography.
Between the multitude of questions asked to the numerous physical challenges assigned to crowdgoers, there was plenty for all to enjoy. And don't worry if you didn't get a chance to participate in this event, there are more scheduled events to come.
Next week we have $2 movie night, and the week after that we have skate night in the recreational gym on Elm Street.
When asked if he had any advice for the incoming freshmen, his response was simple.
Be the best that you can be. You got to do what you do best. Have some self-confidence.
Cody Giles, Troy, TrojanVision News.